Hey there, curious minds. Welcome to TrueDocs Media, where we serve strange stories fresher than your mom's WhatsApp forwards. Now, before we dive so deep, we start getting pressure headaches. Please do that little digital handshake for me. Smash the like button, gently tap subscribe like you are waking up a sleepy jellyfish, and ring that bell like it's calling dinner in Atlantics. Ready for today's tale? Good. Because it's about a fish so weird, even alien would be like, that thing's real? Let's dive deep around 2000 to 2600 feet below the surface. Welcome to the twilight zone, or as scientists call it, the mesopelagic zone. Here sunlight dies, color vanished, pressure is 100x that of sea level, and yet life still exists and adapts beyond imagination. This is the home of Barreleye Fish, a small, slow-moving, ghost-like swimmer with a skull so transparent you can see straight into its mind. The Macropina microstoma, also known as the Barreleye, is only about 6 inches long, but don't let the size fool you. It's one of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. Its head, completely transparent, a jelly-like dome covers the top of its skull, showing every nerve, muscle, and glowing green eyes inside. Yes, eyes. Inside its head, two glowing orbs that float inside the clear dome like deep-sea headlights. This dome is nature's diving helmet, protecting its sensitive eyes from jellyfish sting and toxic waste drifting through the deep ocean. The Barreleye's eyes are not like ours. They are tubular, meaning they are shaped like little telescopes, and they can rotate like submarine periscopes. Most of the time, they point upward, scanning the silhouette stage of prey above. But when it wants to strike, the fish literally swivels its eye forward inside its head. Imagine if you could look up through your own forehead, then swing your eyeballs forward to grab a sandwich. Weird? Yeah, brilliant, absolutely. In the deep sea, speed is not everything. It's about stealth. The Barreleye hovers silently, perfectly still, using its large, flat fins like stabilizers. It's barely use energy, a smart move in a place where food is rare. It watches for jellyfish, sometimes small crustaceans, and when it sees a chance, it carefully glides in, rotates its eyes, and naps its snack. It's even known to steal food from siphonophores, long stinging colonies of jelly-like animals. The Barreleye was first described in 1939, but for decades, all we had were dead specimens brought up in fishing nets. They looked weird, but their domes always collapsed in the nets, so we never knew about the see-through skull. It was not until 2004 when researchers at the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute used deep sea submersibles and robotic cameras that we saw the Barreleye alive and intact. And what they filmed changed marine biology forever. Nature does not just create beautiful animals, it builds survivors. The Barreleye's transparent head, evolution's way of shielding its delicate eyes. Its stillness, a way to avoid drawing attention in a dark world full of predators. Its glowing green lenses, possibly a filter, block out the bright bioluminescence of jellyfish so it can focus on food. Every detail is a strange but perfect solution to a nearly impossible environment. The ocean is a different planet. We have mapped more of the moon than we have of the deep sea. Creatures like the Barreleye remind us we know nothing. Every dive uncovers more mysteries than answers. The fish is not alone. There are hundreds, maybe thousands, of deep sea species we have not even named. If the Barreleye has survived unseen for millions of years, what else is out there? This was the story of fish with a glass head and rotating eyes, a real-life alien, born not in space but in the ocean just beneath our feet. You have just met the Barreleye, and if that does not make you believe in Earth's magic, nothing will. Thanks for watching TrueDocs Media, where truth is always deeper, wider, and a little bit wonderful. Like this video if it blow your mind, subscribe if you are ready for more strange stories, and share this with someone who thinks Earth is boring. Until next, keep your eyes open. You never know what's watching you from the dark. Thank you.